Hi all, I wanted to go over a few highlights from lesson 1.5 if I'm not with you in class today. We always start with the warm-up, nothing new there. Go ahead and complete the warm-up based on what your thoughts are. And then when you move on to step 2, there is a simulation. So they introduce the term model to you. And then when you get to screen 2, you'll notice that it says launch the chemical reaction simulation. So once you launch that, there is a setting you have to change in order to do what you need to do. And that is in the upper left-hand corner. Remember, we've got the menu up there, 3 bars. When you pull down, we need you to find and change it to chemical stockroom. You start in laboratory A, we don't want you there. We want you in chemical stockroom. So click on chemical stockroom and click yes, you want it to change. And then you can select the any chemicals of your choice that it talks about in step 2. Right? So that's important. Make sure you switch that over. And then once you're done, you're able to answer the questions in step 2. Step 3, you're back into the atomic zoom-in article. They do ask you your thoughts on a few items. And then when you get to step 4, it is a paper assignment. But the paper assignment works better if it's actual digital. So here's what we did. You won't be getting a handout for step 4. What you need to do is hop over to Classroom, and on lesson 1.5, attached to that lesson is the modeling tool for step 4. And when you open it, it's a Google slide. And then you can come over here to the C's and the H's, and you can drag them down into the box. Now, having done this a few times, a lot of kids ask, well, what is the right answer? You don't have to worry about what the right answer is right now. Actually, there are a whole bunch of possibilities here, and that's why it says in the instructions, make up an arrangement that could make up sample 2. So you never are told exactly what it might look like. Okay. Now, when you get to step 5, there's one more thing. A lot of people say, Mr. Coe, it says optional. I know. We have longer class periods. We always have the option of doing optional. It's up to me. And I do want you to return to that. It is the same lesson step you did in 1.3, where you had to observe something, and I said use something from class or anything you're familiar with. Now that you've done the model, I want you to describe, now that you know a little bit more about it. It does say, what did your household member say? Ignore that. I mean, unless you really want to go home and do that. I just want you to put in the box, how would you describe it now? Okay, from what you've learned, how would you describe it differently? What would you add? And that is 1.5.